Left breathing also is a little affected on the scan.
And also, I don't know, like since this happened, I keep getting this kind of pimple kind of thing here. It never goes out. I don't know what is the reason.
That I may not be able to solve.
I know, but then you see, if you touch it, you can feel
there is something there. I know, but
the bone is like coming out.
No, it's not a bone there. There's some soft tissue. Something is there.
Okay.
Alright, so here we have a deviated nose. You can see the bony part of the nose is moved towards the right side of his face. And he was in an accident. No, he was in an injury. He was in a fight. So he's got punched and you can see the after effect of that. So we're going to correct this. You need osteotomy. So if you see on the sides also, the tip is towards one side, the rest of the nose is towards the other side. And yeah, we should be able to give him a perfect nose. He also has some issues with breathing. That's also related to the trauma. I'm going to show you on the scan.
So we also doing the LR now with this.
We're going to do what?
Alloplasty with this.
ALR.
Yes.
You want to reduce the width?
Yeah. So I told it like on the WhatsApp as well.
We can, but you don't need much of that.
Yeah, not much.
Little bit is enough. Your main problem is not that.
Yeah.
Your main issue is septorhinoplasty.
Yeah.
Because we have to work on your septum. ALR, see, the moment I increase the tip, your nose will have much proportion. So if I am doing ALR, I'm going to do like 3 millimeters, like very minimal. Yeah, not much. Okay. But here it's going to be 1 centimeter maybe move. A lot of movement is needed. It's totally bent. And you see, you can see the old fractures that have all healed.
Okay, this
see that?
Deviation.
No, here I'll show you. See that?
Okay. Yeah.
Gaps है बीच में अभी भी.
Yes.
This should be straight, smooth bone. And then there is a bend and all of that. Okay, we can correct all of that. Or you're fasting today or what? You come for consultation or what?
So like tomorrow my surgery was assigned.
Okay, tomorrow, perfect. We'll do tomorrow. तो ये patient आए हैं गाजियाबाद. That's from UP. And so how you reached this morning or you reached last night?
Like I came to on 20th.
You're in that hotel where my friends, that Advocates Hotel, Ramraj Hotel. No? Oh, that's someone else.
Somebody.
Okay, no problems. And when are you going back? Have you planned the tickets for that?
No, not yet. So we are waiting for your consultation. Like when do we have to go back and everything. So we can wait, not an issue. Maybe week or two. That's fine.
2 weeks? No, we don't need so long.
I mean, that totally depends on your.
No, you will recover in 7-8 days. We'll become totally normal. So, where are you staying right now?
So right now we were about to take some hotel here, but then somebody told that we will be getting a room for next 5-6 days here.
Okay.
Within the.
कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगा, लेकिन स्प्लिंट सब रहेगी और इनके नाक के बोन्स पे ज़्यादा सर्जरी होगा, तो इसकी वजह से ना ऐसा थोड़ा काला काला हो सकता है यहाँ पे टाइम के लिए. 3 हफ्ते में निकल जाएगा. ये सब जस्ट ब्रूइजिंग बोलते हैं इसको हम. ये हो सकता है बिकॉज वी आर डूइंग ऑस्टियोटमी ऑन द बोन एंड काफ़ी कुछ वो टूटा है, हटा हुआ है, तो इसीलिए नॉर्मल है, निकल जाएगा. और ये कोई सही हो जाएगा बाद में, लेकिन ऑपरेशन के 3 दिन 2 दिन के बाद आपको दिख सकता है यहाँ पे पूरा काला नीला. बस बाद में तो नॉर्मल हो जाएगा हर चीज़. Perfect.
Wanted to know, sir, are we taking open surgery or like close can also work?
Close can also work, but post-traumatic ना open is safer because क्या होता है, access is more. Open close में honestly आपको बताता हूँ, एक ही छोटा सा difference है. यहाँ पे एक दाग आएगा, कोई नहीं देख पाता इसको. ऐसे आके आप देखो फिर भी नहीं दिखेगा.
I mean, can mustache cover it or like?
नहीं तो मुस्टैच तो नीचे रहेगा.
अच्छा, okay.
ये यहाँ पे आएगा आपको.
It will be here somewhere.
हाँ, दिखेगा नहीं, लेकिन आपको कोई भी nobody on this world will find out. इतना फाइन रहेगा. You don't have to worry about that. ओपन में बेटर रहता है बिकॉज आपको टिप भी करना पड़ेगा मुझे.
So I'm kind of just want to say that I'm looking for kind of a Roman shape of Roman.
इतना चाहिए क्या आपको?
Yeah,
ऐसा चाहिए तो फिर रिब हार्वेस्टिंग करना पड़ेगा. रोमन नोजेस आर वेरी लाइक बहुत.
Yeah, exactly. So I'm looking for that. If you can, totally fine. I mean.
ये इनको बड़ा सा नाक चाहिए, इतना बहुत प्रोमिनेंट नाक.
As you can see, the profile is low.
फिर तो रिब हार्वेस्ट करना पड़ेगा.
Totally fine. So I actually talked about all this to the person I was coordinating.
हाँ.
And they told that yeah, it's totally doable.
Yeah, see, for a cosmetic rhinoplasty it's doable, but yours is a post-traumatic deformity rhinoplasty. थोड़ा फर्क है दोनों में, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी बोन टूटा है, दूसरे पोजीशन में बैठा हुआ है. इसको हम वापस से लेके मिड लाइन पे लाना पड़ेगा. उसके ऊपर आप समझ रहे हैं फर्क? हाँ, इट्स स्लाइटली डिफरेंट बॉल गेम. हो सकता है ऐसे कि नहीं हो सकता है, लेकिन ये जो है सारा कुछ मुझे पहले मिड लाइन में लाना पड़ेगा, उसके ऊपर ऑगमेंटेशन भी करना पड़ेगा. और आप बहुत ऑगमेंटेशन डिज़ायर कर रहे हो.
I'm not asking like
रोमन मतलब वो बहुत ही एग्जैजरेटेड होता है. हाँ, ऑलरेडी आपको तो साउथ इंडियन से अच्छा नोज ही है बहुत. आपके फादर से भी आपका नोज बहुत अच्छा है, उसमें डाउट ही नहीं है. बट और भी अगर बहुत ही शार्प चाहिए तो ना, तो फिर वो यू डोंट नीड रिप. कहाँ से आई नीड मटेरियल. यहाँ पे भी लगाना पड़ेगा, पूरा बिल्डअप करना पड़ेगा फिर तो.
Please, I'm requesting you.
ठीक है, नहीं, I can do it. It's not that I cannot do it. Okay, we'll try and plan that. I've written that already.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll see you in the. You don't have to shave if you don't want.
Okay.
We're okay. नहीं, ज़रूर नहीं है.
ठीक है.
अगर आपको करानी तो आपके लिए कंफर्टेबल रहेगा, क्योंकि अगर ये नो से थोड़ा ड्रिप होगा तो पूरा इट विल बी मेसी. हाँ, आपके ऊपर निर्भर है. आपको करानी है तो हमारे लिए इजी है, लेकिन अगर आपको चाहिए तो भी कर सकते हैं. आ जाएगा. नहीं तो शेव कर दो. अरे आजकल के लोग पता नहीं सर क्या क्या बोलते रहते हैं. पेशेंट्स को शेव नहीं करनी, पेशेंट्स को मुस्टैच नहीं निकालना, वो तो बस तो इसीलिए हम बोल देते हैं अगर आपको नहीं करना भी विल डू. अगर ये इनको जॉ सर्जरी करनी होती तो मैं बोलता नहीं, आपको निकालना ही पड़ेगा बियर्ड. लेकिन ये राइनोप्लास्टी के लिए इनके ऊपर है. लेकिन अगर निकाले तो आपके लिए ईजी रहेगा. क्लीनिंग यहाँ से थोड़ा ड्रिप होगा तो पूरा एवरी टाइम मुस्टैच भी क्लीन होगा. कुछ नहीं, अच्छा है सब कुछ. एवरीथिंग एल्स इज फाइन. ओनली दिस विल डू. ऑलराइट. Over here, positive pressure ventilation to check if there's any leak into the pleural cavity after we've harvested another rib. We're doing a post-traumatic reconstruction rhinoplasty for yet another patient here at Richardson's. That's the defect you see after we've harvested the rib. So it's taken us about 16 minutes. You have the fat and then the layer. So it's going to be a 3-layer closure. The first layer is going to be with 2-0 Vicryl.
Can you take my...
So we've used some glue here, cyanoacrylate glue, so that saves a lot of time and also gets the patient very good results. Both are broad. I can exercise it.
You'll do?
Yeah. no time, because that's boning needle work. Okay, now I think what we'll do is light off. Post-traumatic augmentative rhinoplasty. So his nose was totally deviated, and you can see now we've got it bang on the midline. His dorsal aesthetic lines are totally in the proper way. We've done osteotomy, both lateral and medial, dorsal augmentation, rib was harvested, tip plasty, closed rhinoplasty, bilateral alar base excision to narrow the width, rib harvest, and that's how he is right now. We're going to show you his Hi, so we're about to start surgery for this patient. This is a revision post-traumatic rhinoplasty. So he had a trauma because of which he got his nose. Then he had a surgery done some years ago, I think in Delhi, north of India. You can see the scar from that on the alar base, but hasn't been repaired or corrected to perfection. So I'm planning to do dorsal augmentation, radix augmentation, nasal, lateral and medial osteotomies to correct the dorsal aesthetic line, to improve the radix, to give him a longer, slimmer nose. We're also going to correct the deviation, which is of course his main concern. And if time permits and if possible, we're also going to narrow the nose a little bit, a wee bit. Okay, this is his side view. So he wants augmentation there. So we're going to give him something like this, a nice augmentation on the side view, removing all the bumps and humps and a slightly pointier tip along with narrower alar base. But this is the view that actually really tells you the problem. The entire nose is shifted about 8 millimeters to the right side of his face. The left nasal bone has gone inwards. The right nasal bone has come outwards and bowed out. So we're also having to work on the septum in that region to make sure he doesn't have any breathing issues. Thank you. जाएगा शाम तक आप जा सकती हो, वापस दिल्ली नहीं जाना, मतलब आपके घर नहीं जाना, जाएगा शाम तक आप जा सकती हो, वापस दिल्ली नहीं जाना, मतलब आपके घर नहीं जाना. 3 more days. 30th evening will discharge you. One day you can go and be in Trivandrum maybe. ठीक है. Sorry, 1 minute. So this is day 7. It's another cosmetic rhinoplasty, but also a post-traumatic one, because he had an injury to the nose. He had a treatment done elsewhere. Ab Delhi se hai na?
Yeah.
Okay, right. Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute. ऊपर देखिए. Cool. Just have to. गॉगल हटता. और ऊपर देखिए please. Okay.
Is the deviation still there? Like
There's no deviation, there's still some swelling. So I'm just trying to mold it, you know. So the good thing about the way I do is we can mold it on day 7. So then, okay, show the, open, look down. Okay, कन्नड़ी गुरु देख सकते हो. सो देखो, पहला थिंग है जो आपने रोमन की तरह मांगा, तो यहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ है, इसी पे बेंड किया है. दूसरा, वी मेड इट स्ट्रेट. यहाँ पे ज़्यादा आपको यू हैविंग सम स्वेलिंग, सम ब्रूइजिंग. मैं 100% नहीं बोलूँगा, बट अबाउट 95% आपको रिजल्ट आ जाएगा, बिकॉज पोस्ट ट्रोमेटिक है, हड्डी में बहुत प्रॉब्लम था अंदर. फिर भी इसको मैं लाइट ऐसे जब होगा तो देखा ऐसा आएगा आपका रिजल्ट. और आप देखो यहाँ पे टिप में भी थोड़ा सूजन है,
अभी हाँ.
ये कम हो जाएगा.
Totally fine.
Yeah, but see the nose suits your face already, and once the swelling comes down, I think it's going to be looking really nice. And these sutures, we'll take them off today.
Okay.
If you can see that. So you're happy with it?
Yeah, it's totally fine. I understand there is some edema there, and
Yeah.
get it done.
But remember, we have also done a little bit of like you wanted a Roman thing. Yeah, he start with that was a little difficult. We've done that.
It will come beautifully. I can imagine after maybe 3 months or 4.
It won't take so long, but it will be much better than before.
Totally fine.
ठीक है, and you're leaving tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow we're leaving.
Okay, cool. So you will have to take care of your nails for 4 more weeks, huh? Because ये already आपका fracture है. Fracture के ऊपर fracture किया है.
Doctor, just wanted to request one thing. If you can make a video about post care of rhinoplasty. There is no video from your end.
Okay, we'll do that.
That will help your
The
other
all
friends as
patients
well.
and everybody, yeah. Okay, cool. You make a little bit thing for him.
Stickiness. So yeah guys, I am Abhishek Tyagi, came all the way from Delhi to Richardson, and the reason I came here is because of the lot of videos and the transparency of doctor what he has been putting on YouTube, and I saw the results of previous patients he has treated, and that is the moment I felt like I should also come here and get myself treated. So the problem I had was I had an injury on my nose, and my nose bone was totally deviated. In 2017 it happened to me, and I have been looking for a good surgeon since then, and my search stopped at Richardson, and definitely things have been really good. My cast was removed yesterday, and it was looking obviously there is a little bit of swelling there, and I'm waiting for next 3 months. Like after 3 months I hope things will be looking a lot better, and it is now as well. It's looking quite well. So he has applied again few tapes out there, so my bone was little bit flimsy right now, so he advised me to put there for next 10 days as well. And yeah, experience has been really good. Staff here in hospital is really good, and they have been very cooperative. Though a lot of people from north might think that there might be some language issue, it is not there. Food is really good here, and I'm been enjoying here a lot. Thank you.